Hi dear all students. In previous video of our maths fraction lesson, we already started practice set 10 and we solve one problem. First problem 6 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. I told you addition purpose denominator should be same. In first example it's already same. I told you two methods which you feel easy you can use for exam. Now one more problem I will tell you. You may follow. Here also I will mention you two methods, student. One is a common method you can always use in exam also and your daily practice also, is cross multiplication. I will show what is mean by cross multiplication method. And another method is to make base same by multiplication method. Multiplication method, only multiplying with the particular number. So first only I mentioned to you, student, in this type of example your answer is depend on your denominator. What you made your denominator, according to that your answer will come. All student answer no need to come same. It's depend on your calculations. The meaning of your answers maybe they look different, but meaning will be same because they are multiple equal numbers. So either they will come in that form. So let's start actually with the both method. I will show for this example ahead examples you can use which you feel easy. So see student, I will take second problem here. So for second problem, method number 1 is here, student. I will first we will convert these numbers into n upon d form. So for this denominator you take down, this denominator you take down, then multiply this 1 multiply by 4 plus upside digit. Upside is r is 1 here, so plus 1. Middle sign as it is plus. Here 2 denominator as it is, 3 multiply by 2 plus upside digit here also 1. Now you do calculations. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 upon 4 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. See proper calculation, student. Here are chances you may go wrong, so be careful on these places and make practice. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Here you cannot add directly, student. 5 plus 7 is 12. No, when you are adding numerators according to rule of fractions, your denominator must be same. If that is not same, you have to make it same. So first method from here you have to follow. I will show by two method this problem from this step. This step will be common here, but the ahead step here I will say here method first. Here I will show you method second. Till here the step will be same. So here cross multiplication means you have to write this side number as it is first, 5 upon 4 as it is. Multiply up and down with denominator of other. See first number as it is, multiply. If you are multiplying denominator, you have to multiply to numerator also. So what is the denominator of down? Next number here 2. So 2 up, 2 down. Understand? This is your first step. Middle sign as it is. Now second term as it is, whole term as it is, 7 upon 2 as it is. Increase. These lines are important, students. Some student not writing that line. Keep habit. Now 7 upon 2 as it is, multiply. Now denominator of first. What is denominator of downside? You have to see downside. Denominator is 4 2 जा 8, 2 8 जा 4. So up also 4, down also 4. We are making denominator same. This is the simplest method, cross multiplication. In each example that may be not useful table method, it is always useful everywhere. Do the calculations. 5 2 जा 10, 4 2 जा 8, plus 7 4 जा 28, 4 2 जा 8. Now see, check student, your denominator is same now, 8 8. So you have to write that 8 one time only. Don't do 8 plus 8 16. According to fraction rule, denominator same, write as it is without any action. So 8 8 will be 8 here. 10 plus 28, I will write direct student here now. Do the addition. Middle sign is addition, do addition. Middle sign is subtraction, do subtraction. This only change. Otherwise, rules are same. Rules are same. 10 plus 28 is 38. And now you will do division. You can do this division on the rough page or there only. Show in example only. So one page, utilize your full example. 8 5 जा 40. So 8 4 जा 32. So remainder is here 6. So this is your Q, this is your R, this is your D, and your answer will be in QRD form. That is Q is 4, R is 6 and D is 8. So addition of these two number is 4 and 6 upon 8. Your question is also in QRD form. Your answer must be also in QRD form. I hope you understand how to make base same. Now without making base same, some examples possible. I will show you that method also. Till here your step will be same. Now see student, 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 2. 4 and 2. In 2's table 4 is there. At which position? 2 2's are 4. So you only make this 2 as a 4. So we multiply only this side by 2. See, first number as it is plus second number as it is. Multiply up and down by 2 2. What I said, you have to check tables. So this number as it is, 7 2's are 14, 2 2's are 4. See student, our base becomes same, 4 4. Only need to multiply by 2 this number, so I multiplied here. No need here, it's already 4 here. But when you multiply to 2 by 2, that become 4. If you are multiplying downside by 2, upside also 2. फक्त खालीच मल्टिप्लाय नाही करायचं, वरच्या नंबरला न्यूमरेटरला पण सेम नंबरने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. त्याला राग नको यायला. येस, खाली मल्टिप्लाय केलं, वरती पण मल्टिप्लाय. नंबर शुड बी सेम. ओके, always remember this. If you are multiplying down by 4, up also 4. Down by 2, up also 2. So everywhere this multiplication number may change, but up and down should be same. And now do the calculations for answer. Here write 4 4 same one time only. Don't do 4 plus 4 8 again. If you do, you go wrong. 14 plus 5 is 19. And now again do the division. 9 upside number divided by downside. 4 5 is 20. So 4 4 is 16. Remainder is 3. So I said you student, answer by both method will not come same. Here answer is depend on your base. तुम्ही काय बेस बनवत आहात त्यावर तुमचा आन्सर डिपेंड राहील. QRD, so answer is 4 and 3 upon 4. So here is base 8, so this side is different. Here is base 4, so this side is different. If I reduce this side, I will show how that becomes same also. Suppose this side is your answer is this. This can be reduced. 6 and 8 are in which table student? 6 and 8 are in which table? Yes, 2's table. So you can divide it by 2 upside, you can divide it by 2 downside. Same number up and down. 4 will remain as it is. 3 2. The division answer is 3. Here is division answer is 4. See, came now answer 4 and 3 upon 4 reduction. See, check now this both the answers student. See, both the answers are same. Maybe your method change, but your answer remains same. So which you feel easy, you can use for exam. Your answer, if you solve by this first method, keep as it is, no matter whatever your questions, whatever your base. So this is our lesson number 4, very important for exam. And today's homework for today is question number 1 add problem number 3 and 4, that is 5 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 and 1 upon 7. Do your cross multiplication. 7 5s are 35. Your base will become 35. And one more problem, 3 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 and 1 upon 3. Those not have textbook, for them I am writing. Those have textbook. See your practice set 10, question number 1st, 3rd and 4th problem. So hope so you understand. Solve this example for your better practice, and you can take more examples also for your addition. Till next video, we'll learn subtraction of mixed number. Subtraction of mixed number. Same method, students, same. Here only the middle sign is plus, and in ahead question middle sign is minus. Otherwise procedure will remain same. Hope so you understand. If you not understand, repeatedly see the same video at least 2 times. First time you not understand, second time definitely you understand. Now take care, student. Till the next video, have a nice day. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.